In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete voicemails on your iPhone. So it's very simple to do. So as you see on my bottom left hand corner, I have a ton of voicemails that I just got to get rid of. So let's go there. And if you're not on it already, let's go to the voicemail at the bottom right hand corner. So to delete voicemails, it's real easy to do. One option is being able to swipe all the way over to the left and you'll see that trash can option. You go ahead and hit that. You can also swipe really quickly. That will also get rid of a voicemail. If you want to, you can go ahead and click on the voicemail itself and then go ahead and just hit the trash icon at the far right side. Another thing that you can do is hit the edit button at the top left hand corner, and you can actually click and hold and select all these voicemails or as many as you want. You can either mark it as read or just hit delete. So it's very simple to do. Now, a little trick that you should know about is once you delete those voicemails, you can go ahead and clear that space as well. So if you were to scroll all the way down to the bottom, you're going to see where it says deleted voicemails. So this actually will take up a little bit of space on your phone, but from this point forward, you can go ahead and hit clear all. And then these voicemails will be deleted from all of your devices. This action cannot be undone, and you just go ahead and hit clear all, and then that's it. It's super simple and super easy to go ahead and delete individual voicemails, but if you want, you can delete bulk voicemails at the same time. So that's it. Super easy and super quick to do.